The software as a service industry is booming, reshaping businesses and creating new opportunities. It's expected to reach $716.52 billion by 2028, with a compound annual growth rate of 27.5%. SaaS is revolutionizing sectors from healthcare to finance, making processes efficient and reducing costs. The beauty of SaaS lies in its scalability and accessibility, allowing companies to grow without hefty investments. Let's explore the key steps to building and scaling a successful SaaS business.
Every successful SaaS business starts with a great idea, but validation is crucial. Identify your target market specifically, like independent coffee shops in urban areas. Conduct interviews and surveys to understand their pain points and willingness to pay. Analyze your competition to find your unique angle. Create a minimum viable product, MVP, with core features, and launch it to early adopters. Gather feedback to refine your product and business model. Validation is an ongoing process. Keep testing and iterating.
With your idea validated, it's time to build your SaaS product. Start with a clear product roadmap and prioritize core features. Choose your tech stack wisely, considering cloud platforms and popular languages. Implement best practices for security and compliance from the start. Embrace agile development methodologies for rapid iteration. Set up a CI/CD pipeline and automate testing. Monitor your application's performance constantly. Remember, in SaaS, development never stops. Always improve and add features.
Winning customers. Acquisition and retention strategies. Start with a deep understanding of your target audience and tailor your marketing efforts to meet their specific needs and preferences. Content marketing, SEO, and paid advertising can be effective tools to attract potential customers and drive traffic to your site. Consider partnerships and integrations to open new customer channels and expand your reach. Focus on retention by providing excellent onboarding and customer support to ensure a smooth user experience. Implement a customer success program to help users achieve their goals and celebrate their milestones. Track key metrics like daily active users and churn rate to identify at-risk customers and take proactive measures. Consider a tiered pricing model to allow customers to grow with your product and choose the best plan for their needs. Regularly gather feedback and show customers you're listening by making improvements based on their suggestions.
Scaling your SaaS, growing smart and fast. To achieve sustainable growth, it's crucial to plan meticulously and execute strategically. Ensure your product can handle growth by addressing potential bottlenecks. Identify and resolve these issues early to avoid future roadblocks. Consider moving to a microservices architecture for scalability. This approach allows for more flexible and efficient scaling of your services. Hire strategically and focus on culture fit as your team grows. Building a cohesive team is essential for long-term success. Implement robust onboarding processes and document best practices. This ensures new hires are productive and aligned with company goals from day one. Use OKRs to keep everyone aligned. Clear objectives and key results help maintain focus and drive performance. Financial management becomes more complex. Keep a close eye on metrics like CAC and LTV. These metrics are critical for understanding your business's health. Implement financial forecasting and consider raising capital strategically. Proper planning can provide the resources needed for growth. Maintain customer success by implementing systems to keep a personal touch. Personalized service can significantly enhance customer loyalty. Explore international expansion thoughtfully, understanding local regulations and cultural nuances. This careful approach can open new avenues for growth.
SaaS success stories, learning from the best. Zoom focused on user experience, making video calls easy and reliable, scaling rapidly during the pandemic. Their commitment to quality and user satisfaction set them apart. Slack transformed internal communication with a focus on user delight and integrations. By streamlining workflows and enhancing team collaboration, they became indispensable. Shopify empowered merchants to set up online stores, aligning their success with their customers. Their platform made e-commerce accessible to everyone, HubSpot educated the market about inbound marketing, creating a community that became their customer base. Their educational resources built trust and loyalty. These success stories share common threads, solving real problems, focusing on user experience, and scaling smartly. They demonstrate the power of innovation and customer-centric strategies. Let them inspire your own SaaS journey. Learn from their strategies, adapt their best practices, and carve your path to success.